Whether you're a bedroom guitarist laying down tracks, a producer fine-tuning tone, or a streamer wanting better audio for your live jam sessions, your interface matters. In 2025, there are audio interfaces specifically tuned for guitar tone, latency, and creative control. Today, let's break down the best guitar audio interfaces of the year, including what makes each one ideal for your setup. Universal Audio Apollo Twin X Duo USB Heritage Edition. If you're aiming for studio-level sound at home, this is your top-tier pick. The Apollo Twin X Duo USB Heritage Edition uses dual-core Shark processors to power real-time UAD plug-in processing, meaning you can track and monitor with professional-grade effects like compressors, EQs, amp sims, and reverbs without latency, and without taxing your computer. It features unison-enabled preamps, which model the input impedance and gain structure of famous analog hardware like Neve, API, or Marshall, giving your guitar input an authentic analog character. The converters are 24-bit/192 kHz, delivering crystal clear sound. You get two XLR/TRS combo inputs, a high Z instrument input on the front for guitar bass, and optical input for expansion. It's housed in a solid aluminum chassis, and the large front knob with digital metering gives it a premium, tactile feel. This is a serious interface for serious tone chasers and pro-level tracking. Now in its fourth generation, the Scarlett 2E2 has refined its position as the gold standard for entry to mid-level home recording. This version introduces ultra-low noise preamps, upgraded 24-bit 192 kHz converters, and dynamic gain halos around the knobs for instant visual feedback on input levels. It also includes the enhanced Air mode, which emulates a Focusrite ISA analog transformer, ideal for adding sparkle and presence to guitars or vocals. You get two combo inputs, XLR 1/4-inch TRS, direct monitoring switch, and USB-C connectivity for plug-and-play ease. It's compact, durable, and comes with a full software suite, including Ableton Live Lite, Focusrite's Hitmaker expansion, and plugins from Softtube, XLN Audio, and more. For guitarists starting out or working solo, this is easily one of the most user-friendly and reliable interfaces out there. IK Multimedia AXE I. Here's where things get exciting for tone lovers. The IK Multimedia AXE I is built specifically for guitarists who want deep control over input tone before it even hits the DAW. Its standout feature is the Z-tone circuit, which lets you adjust the input impedance to match or shape how your pickups interact with the preamp, from tight and punchy to fat and warm. You get a dedicated 1/4-inch high Z input, balanced output, and a headphone jack with ultra-low latency monitoring. Plus, it comes bundled with Amplitube 5 SE and TON EXSE, giving you access to hundreds of guitar amp, cab, and pedal models, perfect for tracking and reamping straight out of the box. Whether you play with active or passive pickups, clean or high-gain tones, the AXE I gives you nuanced control that most other interfaces skip entirely. It's compact, affordable, and totally guitarist first. PreSonus AudioBox GO. The AudioBox GO is all about portability and simplicity without sacrificing sound. This is a bus-powered interface, no external power brick required, making it perfect for mobile setups or small workspaces. Despite its size, it offers solid 24-bit 96 kHz audio, clean preamps, and a rugged build that's ready to travel. You get one mic input with phantom power and a high Z instrument input, ideal for direct guitar or bass tracking. Outputs include stereo main out and a headphone jack with level control. Best of all, it includes Studio One Prime, PreSonus's beginner-friendly DAW, and a library of samples and effects to get started. This is perfect for songwriters, students, or musicians on a budget who want a dependable plug-and-play solution that's still great on tone. Apogee Duet 3. If you're after pro audio quality in a slick, travel-friendly form, the Apogee Duet 3 delivers. It's a 2 and 4 out USB-C interface with studio-grade Apogee ADDA converters, which means incredibly detailed audio capture, ideal for acoustic instruments, vocals, and clean electric guitar tones. It features 2 high-quality mic line instrument inputs and balanced 1/4 inch outputs, along with a top panel touchpad for controlling gain, mute, and monitor levels. You also get Apogee DSP-powered plugins like compression, EQ, and saturation for tracking with real-time effects. It's compatible with Mac and PC, has a durable glass and aluminum design, and includes a breakout cable to keep the interface itself sleek on your desk. The Duet 3 is ideal for recording artists, streamers, and producers who want minimalist gear without compromising on sound quality. All product links are in the description. Check them out and let us know in the comments which interface is your go-to for recording guitar. Like, sub, and I'll catch you in the next one.